Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to comment on a video on YouTube. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after that, choose any video. For example, I will go to this video and I will comment that beautiful video as always, and I have to click on that send icon, and as you can see, I added a comment on the video. So I will repeat. As you can see, there is the comment section. Click on it, and after that, go and click where you have add a comment, and your comment will appear on the video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next